Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Oh God, I really gotta piss. God, I gotta piss.
Ah! Lord Bowser.
Just kind of 1 foot in the grave already.
I just now terribly sorry to keep you waiting, my lord.
I bet you are, Cammy Koopa. Now, out with it. Why have you called me here?
Don't be so patient with your poor servant. It's my displeasure to report that Mario, that scum, is off to a town called Rogueport.
She does that kind of thing where she, like, coughs for way too long. It makes everyone uncomfortable.
Oh, yeah. Here, read your line and I'll do it. Like,
am I Mario's babysitter? I don't care what he's doing. Are you going to call me every time that guy blows his nose or what? Sheesh.
yes, well, you see... My lord, apparently Mario is hunting for an amazing treasure.
Treasure?
Yes, Mario has gone in search of a star-shaped jewel known as... the crystal stars. I'm researching just what they are, but there's no question of their height.
The crystal stars, you say? They sound like good world-conquering tools. I want them. Yes, very good. Continue researching this for me, you brainy hag, you.